This week on Expressions, a performance from Bristol Lightning. Tonight on Expressions. Funding for this program is provided in part by viewers like you. Thank you.
Hello, and welcome to Expressions. I'm your host, Adara Alston. For this episode, we are featuring Bristol Lightning. Led by world-renowned cellist Dave Eggar, this ensemble blends bluegrass, folk, classical, hip-hop, and even tap dance to create a truly unique sound. Our first song was inspired by Dave's childhood friendship with the great American songwriter Conor Coleman. Here is Appalachian Mozart.
Tell me who you are, who you really are. Tell me if it's God, is it really God? Stand on the edge of the earth. Does it work if I let myself fall into the dirt? Let the rain soak into my shirt as nature plant her seed under my skirt. Never put myself first, and man, that hurts. It's much worse, depriving the soul of what it thirsts. Letting the devil in, cause he's a flirt. Lying to myself's my favorite quirk. Tell me who you are, who you really are. Tell me if it's God, is it really God? Yeah, tell me who you are, who you really are. Tell me if it's God, is it really God? What's my place? What's my favorite face? Such a disgrace, changing up the pace. Does it work if I really pray? I'll get my answer some other day. Sometimes I talk and rarely listen. I'm missing out on my life's mission. I'm stuck, but I blame it on the system. I've got no action, just wishing. Start again, would I erase my sins? Would I have learned lessons? I'm a person with a purpose, speak the truth, I go within. Can you understand? I am only human. If I could give it up and start again, would I have learned lessons? Would I erase my sins? I'm a person with a purpose, speak the truth, I go within. Can you understand? I am only human. If I could give it up and start again, would I erase my sins? Would I have learned lessons? I'm a person with a purpose, speak the truth, I go within. Can you understand? I am only human. If I could give it up and start again, would I erase my sins? Would I have learned lessons? I'm a person with a purpose, speak the truth, I go within. Can you understand? I am only human. If it's God, is it really God?
That was Le'Asha Julius with the vocals on Valet. And we have even more electric performances from Bristol Lightning coming right up. A reminder that you can visit wskg.org/expressions to see even more of their performance, and to also revisit Dave Eggar's past performances on the Expression stage. Our next selection was written by mandolin player Blake Collins during the depths of the COVID pandemic. Here is Letter from Cambodia.
jeu. Comment allez-vous? Je t'aime, je t'aime. Ouh là là.
Bristol Lightning with a one-of-a-kind performance of the classic Parisian dance, the CanCan. For our final number, we decided to bring in some special guests to join tap dancer Conor Coleman. Be on the lookout for Irish folk singer Pat Kane and his friends as they join in on the classic bluegrass tune, Angeline the Baker. Enjoy the performance, and thanks so much for watching Expressions. I'm Adara Alston. Good night.